Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. I'm Emmanuel, the creator and owner of the Ultimate Gardening business. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I want to go ahead and review the Ultimate Gardening Plant Collection 2020 and also give you a few more details on the business. So please stay tuned with us. So guys, here in this tray is the entire 2020 collection. So as you guys may know, on Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I released my first ever plant collection for you guys to go ahead and purchase. So we had to wait 2 more days in order for the plants to actually be listed on eBay, but now they're actually listed on eBay, so you guys can go ahead and purchase your plants. There's a link down below for you guys to go ahead and check out the collection. So I would like to show you guys every plant that's in the collection. So starting off with number 1, we have the beaming burgundy coleus right here. This is a limited edition plant, so grab it while you can, because once it's gone until further notice. Only per person, you could only get 1 plant per person, because I like to give other people chances to get it. Another limited edition plant is the sunrise coleus. This is also 1 plant per person, because, you know, of course I like to give people chances to get it. There's only a few in stock, so grab it while you can. A classic plant is the wasabi coleus. This is a regular, not limited edition, so you can get up to 3 plants per person. This is an amazing performer. I highly recommend it. Another limited edition plant is the sunbeaming marigolds. I have a few of them in stock, 1 per person as well. These come from an array of colors to orange to yellow and to even multicolor, I think like 2 different colors. A regular plant is the fire blazed green coleus. You can get up to 2 plants per person. Highly recommend this plant. I really love it. Another limited edition plant is the cotton candy delight pink wishbone flower right here, you guys. Amazing performer, bush-like plant, delicate flowers. I highly recommend this. This is one of my favorite plants for this year. A classic, but yet another limited edition plant is the sweet potato vine right here. Oh, just remembering you guys, if you guys cannot plant during the winter or fall, and you could only plant in spring and summer, and you would like to purchase some of these plants, you could go ahead and purchase them, but you will have to store them in your house in warm temperatures, but not extremely hot temperatures. Or if you have a place outside to store them, like a greenhouse or something like that, you could go ahead and store them there for the following up spring. So 1 per person. Another classic, but it's not limited edition, is the Velvet Delight purple wishbone flower. You can get up to 2 plants per person. Really excited for this, you guys. And the last and final classic but limited edition plant is the Mondo grass. I have different sizes. So this is the classic small pot, and I have a bigger size pot, so for you guys to purchase these. So right here, this is the Mondo grass, 1 per person. So yeah, that's it for this entire collection, you guys. Once more, for the business, a few details on the businesses. On Thanksgiving and on Christmas, I'm planning to throw out a few more varieties for the collection for you guys to purchase, like new varieties, different, like unique varieties for you guys. So stay on a lookout for those, you guys, because it will be amazing. So yeah, that's the entire collection. Once more, you guys, once you purchase one of these plants, it will go directly towards the channel, the business, and my team members, so that will help a lot, you guys. But yeah, once more, thank you guys so much for supporting this channel, giving me likes, leaving your best kind comments down below. It means the world to me. But yeah, once more, a link towards this collection will be down below in the link in the description below, as well as my Ultimate Gardening Instagram account with the business account. So if you would like to check it out, the links will be below for you to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. If you would like to see one of our recent videos, it will be up here for you to check out. So go ahead and go check it out. I highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye, guys.